Hey everyone, welcome back to the another lecture. In this lecture, we are going to see magic commands in Databricks. Okay, so what are the magic commands? So let's see. For that, I am going to create a new notebook. So here, just click on the notebook. So this is our new notebook, and I am closing the side panel so you can see it perfectly. Let's rename the notebook with magic commands. Okay. Now, what are the magic commands and why they are so much important? Okay, so in Databricks, whenever we develop or anyone, data scientist, data engineer, data analyst, develop something or analyze something, that time they need to use multiple languages like SQL, R, Python, etc. Also, they have to document their coding and whatever the flows they are creating, right? So for that, magic commands are very helpful in Databricks to change the context of your current cell for different languages. Here you can see Python is the default language for this cell, right? But we can use SQL or Scala in the Databricks notebook. So let's start. So what are the magic command? For accessing the magic command, there is nothing special you have to do. That is the only one thing, and that is use percentage symbol and then type what you want. So I am going to use percentage MD. So it will make your cell as a markdown. So as I write percent MD, you can see the interface changes here, bold, italic, this all things like add images, h1, h2, h3, all these things come here, right? So I am going to give the name to this notebook, and with the help of like hash, so 3 hash means third heading or h3, I am going to give the like. So this is our magic command notebook, and just shift and enter. So you can see now our cell number 1 is basically a markdown cell. You can write Python code. By default, the notebook is Python, so no need to specify percentage Python. But yes, you can specify percentage Python and run the Python code. So this is the Python code, and you can see I'm running the Python code right now. Yep. So this is the hello world, and you can see Python is successfully executed in this cell. You can use SQL also. For using the SQL, you need to use the command %SQL. So I don't have any database tables or schemas or catalog created at this moment. So I'm going to use very simple SQL command, that is select and hello Akshay. So basically this is the hello world program of the SQL, and you can see now the SQL query is executed, and you can see the table is created here, right? In the same way, you can use the Scala as well. For that, you have to use the command percentage Scala, and then you can create a variable like name, and you can print it. And if you try to run the code, then you can see the name Akshay is printed, and this is actually a Scala. So you can see the data type string here. In the above, you can see Python output. Here you can see Scala output, right? In the same way, you can use the programming language that is used by data scientists, and that is R. So you have to use the command percentage R for that. And here you can, in the same way, like Python, you can use. As soon as I run this, you can see this is run in the R programming language, and the indication is here, you can see. Now this is the way you can run different types of programming language. We have saw like Markdown, Python, Scala, R. Apart from that, there are multiple magic commands that are most important in Databricks, that we can use or we use in exploratory purposes. So the first magic command that we use is percentage %fs. Fs is basically file system, and here you can see I can list down the directories like dbfs slash databricks datasets. And if I execute this, okay, I think I need to remove dbfs. So this is the by default in the dbfs file system. You have a folder where all your like folders and datasets that are provided by Databricks for practice are listed here, and you can see all the datasets. So you can explore this thing. So such that I am going to use this COVID dataset. Let's run this. So you can see these are all the files that are available in the COVID dataset. So I will go deeper. Yep, you can see all these files and folders are listed here. So you can explore this. So I'm going to 2020 -03 -13 slash. Let's see what are the files available in the specific folder. And here you can see there are multiple files, this CSV file and the PDF file, and multiple different like text file and other datasets related files are available here. Apart from that, this is file system command. You can use basic file system command like ls, mv or cp for copying, moving the directories here and there, but it's not a fully fledged shell utility, so you can't use the fully fledged shell commands here. For that you can use the command that is percent sh. It will allow you to use the shell command. So I am going to use the tail command here, and let's copy this path itself, and let's give a file name to it. I'm copying the file name and here. So you can see tail command listed the last few lines of this file. So you can use the shell commands with this. Apart from that, you can use the percent pip to install any Python libraries in the Databricks. So here you can see that is percent pip, and I will use pip install pandas. And if I run this utility, okay, it's showing some error. Yeah, but with the help of pip command, you can use the Python utility, or you can install any Python libraries that you can do from here as well in the libraries section. Actually, in my Databricks workspace, I am facing some issue. It works normally, so you can try this command at your end and let me know if you are also facing this issue. Then yeah, definitely I will create a video for solution of this problem. Okay, so I think it's related to my Databricks workspace. So let's go ahead. Also, these are some most important and most frequent magic commands that are used in the Databricks. But there are lots of magic commands in the Databricks, and that you can list with the command ls magic, percent ls magic. Once you run this command, you can see there are lots magic commands you can use, and here you can use HTML, JavaScript, etc., etc. Multiple languages, multiple frameworks that are accessible, and you can run them in your notebook. Even you can create proper documentations with the help of svg, etc., etc. Apart from that, you if you want to see the documentation of any specific command in detail, then you can use percent that command and question mark, right? So once you run this, you can see the like a little bit description like where the command exists and all about this command, a specific description of this command or document you can say. And if you do like double question mark in front of command, I'm going to use pip itself, and I'm going to append double question mark in front of it and run it. So you can see the like functions, specific functions that defines that specific magic command, right? So this is about the magic command in the Databricks notebooks, and you can explore the magic commands. The most important thing is like learn some markdown commands. Like this is the heading. You can do lot of thing to properly document your notebooks with the help of markdown command, that we are going to see in the future when I will create the more detailed and in-depth topics of the Databricks. I will definitely create some proper documentation in my notebooks as well. So this is all about the Databricks Magic command, and they are most important part in the Databricks like workspace or utilities. So this is all for this video. If you have any doubts or any question, then feel free to ask the questions in the comment section below. And yeah, I will see you in the next lecture. Till then, happy coding.